What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Shavizzy, and today, man, we back with another video, man. Y'all probably wondering what am I doing today, man. You know what I'm saying? But today, man, what I'm about to do is, man, I'm about to make some food. I'm about to make some fish. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't like fish, man, but I love fish, man. You know what I'm saying? I love fish. Fish is good for you. If you not eat fish, you can't get no good protein. You get what I'm saying? But you gotta eat the fish to consume your protein. You feel me? Fish has a lot of benefits to it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta know how to cook it. And if you don't know how to cook it, it's not gonna taste good. You feel what I'm saying? But yes, man, the fish that we about to cook, I got some, what's the snapper right there, and I don't even know what type of fish is this, but that joint about to get cooked. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, man, I'm here, man. I'm chopping it up. I said, man, I gotta come on the camera because I haven't been on the camera in a little minute, so I had to take it up. You feel what I'm saying? I had to give y'all some content because I said that I'm gonna be more consistent, and I do not want to fail on being more consistent. You feel me? I hope y'all, man, if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you drop a comment, and make sure you also share the videos with your friends, your family, your acquaintance, whoever you want to share it with. You feel what I'm saying? But anyways, man, right now, man, what I'm about to do, man, I am about to cut these seasonings up that I'm about to put on my fish. You feel me? Today we're keeping it simple. We're gonna make some fish and rice. You know what I'm saying? Fish and rice, one of my favorite dish apart from curry chicken and rice. You get what I'm saying? But anyways, man, stay tuned for the video. You feel what I'm saying? As I said, man, before you even get into the video, start watching it, make sure you hit that like button, man. You get what I'm saying? And make sure you subscribe to the channel. You feel what I'm saying? We about to give y'all content on top of content. You feel what I'm saying? This is a regular vlog. This is me in my own habitat. We not outside today, we just in the crib. You feel what I'm saying? So stay tuned, man. There will be a lot of stuff coming. You feel what I'm saying? A lot of music I'm getting prepared to drop. A lot of videos this summer. We about to go crazy this summer on videos. You feel what I'm saying? And just stay tuned. Wait for it. You feel what I'm saying? We out. So what I got today, man, as you can see, we got onions. You feel what I'm saying? I just washed it off. We got green onions. We got, this is a pepper. It's already cut because I used peas yesterday. And then we have garlics. You get what I'm saying? We got garlics right here. And then we're gonna just chop them up. You feel what I'm saying? We about to chop them up because those are the ingredients that I put in this seasoning. You feel what I'm saying? Make sure, I like to cut the head off right here. Like to cut this piece off. So I will just slice that off right there. Slice that off right there. You get what I'm saying? And then what I would do, I'll just give them a nice slice. You know what I'm saying? Give it a nice slice. I don't know how y'all cut your stuff up, but I like to, you know what I mean, give it a nice slice. Put it up like that, you know? So that's all cut up right there. Then what I would do, I don't keep the stem on my pepper, so I'll just cut it off. Cut it off right there. And then you just sliced it up. You smell that pepper, boy. Give it a nice slice. That's all sliced up. Same goes for these. You got to make sure you wash these. These are garlics. You make sure you wash your garlic. You know what I'm saying? Wash your garlic. I'm going to wash the garlic. I just washed them. And how to peel them, it's pretty easy. I usually just cut the tip off. And then everything should start breaking off easy. So once you cut the tip off, bam. You know what I'm saying? It'll come off easy. You start peeling these babies right here. Take it off, bam. Then you do the same thing, you give it some 10 slices. So when you slice it like this, your flavor really, to me, you get what I'm saying? To me, your flavor, it absorbs the meat, the fish, the anything, the beef, whatever you're doing, it absorbs the flavor more when you give it some thin slices. So when you mix it up, you know what I'm saying, and put it together, them slices be kicking. You get what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Be kicking. So we about to just cut these up, and yeah, stay tuned. There you have it. Then when we're all set with when I get my fish thawed out, we about to come back and then we're gonna have that done with. I'll be right back, no cap. So guys, my fish is thawed out now, alright? I'm gonna show you the seasoning that I use. I always, before, when you clean your fish, make sure you use vinegar. You know what I'm saying? I wash this fish with vinegar. You feel what I'm saying? See how it looks now? That's how it looks, because it's cleaned and everything. What I do, I get oil, I get olive oil, put it over there. These are my seasonings. So I use this right here, I use this right here, maybe y'all could see it, it's the Maggi. I use a little black pepper, I use this, you know what I'm saying, and a little bit of salt. So I'm gonna season this up, then we'll get right back in the gig. You heard? So no, my rice up on the fire. You get me? I say like my rice on the fire right now. Why my shit so zoomed up? I don't know. Let me see something. Kind of back up. Yeah, so the rice is on the fire right now. What I do, how I cook my rice, you feel me? What I do is I put salt. You feel what I'm saying? You can't cook your rice without no salt. Let me get my lighting. You can't cook your rice without no salt. So you gotta sprinkle the salt in the pot. You know what I'm saying? You don't need a lot, just a little bit to give it a taste. You know what I mean? Don't need a lot of rice, a lot of salt. I mean, and then you put butter in it. You know what I'm saying? Let me get something to stir it around. So when I put the salt in the pot, I stir it around. You get what I'm saying? You gotta give it a little mixture. Give it a little mixture. You know what I'm saying? Damn, I'm coughing, boy. But look at the fish, though, man. Ooh! 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 You hear that echo from the pot? No kizzy, but I'm gonna get this butter. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna put it in the pot, and then I'm gonna get back. When the fish start cooking, I'm gonna come back on the camera. I'm gonna show y'all how it's looking. You feel me? I'm gonna put some okra in my fish too. If you never had okra in a fish, you need to do it. You get me? I say you need to do it. So you gotta put that okra in your pot, and I'm gonna come back to the camera. So I just put the fish in the pot. That's what y'all been waiting for. You get what I'm saying? So look at this. It's in the pot cooking. So we about to come back to it when we see that there is progress. You heard? Look how beautiful those seasonings are, man. And then the rice right here, I gotta turn it down and turn it on the low. And I'll be back to the camera again, man. I'm giving y'all mad updates, man. Y'all probably like, when is this food gonna be done? It'll be done shortly, man. You remember, everything that is great takes time, and everything that tastes good takes time. You get me? I said, if you want some good food, you have to wait for it. You get me? I say. So listen, man, we about to come back to the camera as soon as this is done. You feel me? Just wait on it. Wait on the process. And listen, man, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. Take your time. Just watch. Ow! What the last ingredients is in the fish. This is okra. And then these are bell peppers. So I have all type of colors bell peppers. You got yellow, red, and green. You see me? So you have to put bell pepper and okra in your fish if you want it to taste good. You see me? So that me do. Let's see how the fish is coming along though. Let's see how the fish is coming along. Let's take a look at it real quick. Ooh! Ooh! See my rice. I'm about to take a look at the rice. Let's look at the rice. Rice. Ooh! Steamy! Steamy! The rice is coming along great, man. So when everything is fully prepared, we'll make well, I'm not gonna eat because I'm not ready to eat. I just cook early because I got a lot of stuff to do today and I want to get it out the way. You feel me? But when everything is fully done, I'm gonna let you guys see how it looks, and we right back into it. You get what I'm saying? Shavizzy Kitchen, man. ShavizzyTV, Shavizzy Squad. You get what I'm saying? We out. So guys, I had to come back on the camera to show you guys how colorful the pot is. Look at that. Ooh, bubble. How colorful the pot is. I had to show y'all, man. You feel me? And listen, man, I want you guys to know that, listen, man, it's good to learn how to cook. You know what I'm saying? If you do not know how to cook, you need to learn how to cook, because sometimes you don't want to go buy food because you never know. Sometimes you're not in the mood for anything that's outside. You get what I'm saying? So you need to learn how to cook, to prep your own food, do all that's possible to help yourself out. And especially, you know that prices are going up on everything, man. This inflation is gonna go crazy, so you guys better learn how to cook early, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, man. But anyways, I just want to come back on the camera, you know what I'm saying, to let y'all know that the food is going great. And remember, man, I just dropped some new music. Feel me? Dropped it almost a month now. You feel what I'm saying? I will be dropping more music this month. Before the month ends, I promise I got something cooking. You get what I'm saying? It's gonna be global. This one is gonna be taking off. You get what I'm saying? Get us out the hood. Get us out the hood. You get what I'm saying? But anyways, man, when the food is fully prepared and all done, I'm gonna get back to the camera again and show y'all the complete meal. You get what I'm saying? That you could eat anytime. If you're a fish lover, a seafood lover, listen, this right here, you think I joke me, make this here right here, so once you get a bite, you just want to keep on diving in. No cap. You get what I'm saying? I'm out. So guys, as you know, man, once I come back on the camera, you already know what's going on, man. You get what I'm saying? The food is done. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all how the fish looks. It's already done. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh, y'all know y'all seen that. Y'all seen that. The rice is fully cooked too. Ooh, ooh. That's what we do, man. I'm telling you, if you get a bite out of that, you won't stop coming back, baby. That's all I'm saying. That fish is well seasoning. You feel well seasoned? I said seasoning. You feel me? Yeah, you gotta try it. But anyways, man, listen, man, that is the end of the video. I just showed you how to make some good fish. You feel what I'm saying? Oh, I forgot. I told y'all why it looked yellow. It's because there was curry on it. I put a little curry powder on it. You feel me? That gives it a little flavor and also a little color. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, man, it was nice doing this video. You feel what I'm saying? It was good chopping it in with y'all, give y'all some content. And I will be back with more videos, man. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your day and always think positive. You know what I'm saying? And please share the videos and like the videos. I love y'all, man. I'm out.